This short video shows you examples of the different kinds of degrees we have at CBC. To find this listing, go to Current Students. Under Academics, click on Courses and Programs A to Z Index, and you will find a grid that has 5 different columns: Department and Program Title, Academic Area, Category, Course Listing, and the Degrees and Certificates. I'm going to show you an example of each of the different kinds of degrees by focusing on the 5th column. The first kind of degree is an AA degree, Associate of Arts and Science. Except for the general AA degree, we have several specialized AA degrees. If you click on this one in Agriculture, at the top you will see that it's an Associate in Arts and Science with an emphasis in Agriculture. It's followed by the designation DTA, which stands for Direct Transfer Agreement. This means that CBC has an agreement with the universities in the region that if a student finishes this degree, he or she will be able to transfer and have it apply to general education requirements and some of the department requirements for that university. It is intended for transfer. If you scroll down, you will see a list of the requirements that are specific to this degree. All of our degrees are at least 90 credits. Another type of degree that we have is the AST degree. In this case, we're going to look at the degree AST in the biological sciences. It's followed by the designation AST. When you click on this link, you will find at the top that it is Associate in Science, AST, Transfer Degree. Underneath it, you will find that there are several majors to which this degree applies: biological sciences, chemistry, environmental science, and so forth. This takes much more careful planning based on the requirements of the university, because there are so many choices depending on the major. Also, it is not a DTA, a Direct Transfer Agreement degree, so planning is especially required. Another type of degree is not generally intended for transfer, like the AA or the AST. It's an AAS, or Associate of Applied Science. This degree in accounting is followed by the designation AAS. And when you click on a link like this, you will find at the top Associate in Applied Science, and in this case in accounting, followed by Professional Technical. This means that it's a more technical degree to give the student job skills earlier than a university degree would. Again, at least 90 credits, and the specific requirements are listed in the worksheets. Also, CBC has certificate programs. In this case, it's followed by 1YC, standing for 1-year certificate. When you click on this certificate worksheet, you will find at the top that it says Accounting 1-year certificate, Professional Technical, not intended for transfer. A certificate has fewer credits required for it, and that's why it's not considered a degree. There are dozens and dozens of options in this degree and certificate listing. Examine this section thoroughly to find all the options.